In this video, I'm going to show you how to make baking soda slime. Now, this easy recipe doesn't require borax or liquid starch, making it great for all ages. You likely have the ingredients needed to make this fun playtime on hand, and if not, well, they aren't hard to find. Just like any good slime, first you have to start with glue, then add baking soda, and the secret ingredient. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 cup of Elmer's school glue, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of contact lens solution with boric acid. Optional additions are food coloring, essential oil, glitter. Now please note, you can use any variety of Elmer's glue to make this recipe. However, I don't recommend substituting other glue brands, as the results may vary. And the contact lens solution you're using must contain boric acid. So, this is the method to make it. Begin by pouring 1 cup of glue into a large mixing bowl, using 1 bowl for each color of baking soda slime that you wish to make. Add 3 to 5 drops of food coloring if desired. You can also add glitter. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to each bowl and stir until combined. It's now time to add the secret ingredient. In this case, it's contact lens solution. Slowly begin to add the contact solution in small amounts and mix, slowly adding more solution and mixing until the desired consistency is reached. The ingredients will be incredibly sticky at first, but don't worry. Continue to mix the ingredients in the bowl until the slime begins to form. Then, remove the slime from the bowl and knead it with clean, dry hands until the desired consistency is reached. If the slime is too sticky, add a little more contact solution and knead it in. After a bit of kneading and mixing, you'll have amazing, fun-making baking soda slime. Now here are a few tips and storage ideas. Store your slime in an airtight container, and it can be used again and again. The contact lens solution that you're using for this recipe must contain boric acid. If not, it won't work. Is your slime too sticky? Well, add just a little more contact lens solution and mix it in. Is it still too sticky? Add a little more. Just be sure to add it slowly. And if your kids love making slime, you might want to buy your glue in bulk online. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make baking soda slime. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 5 natural ingredients to create a foot soak that will detox your body. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.